Objective for today. So it says we learned how to compare fractions using models and fraction strips. Today we will learn how to compare fractions using number lines. So first let's know what a number line is. So let's put that. So number line is a line. Okay, it's just a line pretty much. Okay. So this would be see. So like this would be 0, this would be 1, and then dot dot dot. It'll go on forever. That's why these two arrows are here. Because it will go on forever into negatives, and it will go on forever in just like normal number, positives. Okay? So first let's go on to our first example. So the first one says 5, which one's greater, 5/8 or 3/8? So here, as you can see, all of them have like a number line, and that is because I am going to write a number line, like use the number line to compare, obviously. So this would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then this would be 8. So like, yeah, 1, and then 0, okay? Actually, let's just do that. Boom. And then this can be our 0. And then there will be 1, 8, 2, 8, 3, 8, 4, 8, 5, 8, 6, 8, 7, 8. Okay. So then there. Oopsies. Okay. So first let's mark where 5, 8, and 3, 8 are. So let's start with 5, 8. So there's 1, 8, 2, 8, 3, 8, 4, 8, 5, 8. Okay, so this is where 5, 8 would be. So let's just write it in a different color. Oopsies. So let's use a different color to write that. So right there would be 5/8. Okay, right there. And then let's find 3/8. So 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. So 3/8 would be right here. Okay, so the number that is more to the right, which means more to this way, is larger. Because let's see, let's just count in one. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we know that, okay, so we know that 8 is larger than 1, and it's more to the right. So if you keep going right, it will go to like thousands, millions, and all that stuff. So that's why the fraction more to the right will be larger. So the answer for this question is 5/8 is greater than 3/8. So let's do the next one. It says which one's greater, 6/9 or 5/9? So let's do this again. So this would be 0, and this would be 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So this would be, wait, let's actually fix this, make it more equal. Okay, so I made it a bit more equivalent, which is much more clear. It's better to understand fractions. So let's plot down where 5/9 is and 6/9 is. Okay, so this would be 1/9, 2/9, 3/9, 4/9, 5/9. So this is where 5/9 would be. Okay, and then this would be 6/9. Let's write it on top. So again, the fraction to the right is greater. Fraction that is more to the right is greater. So now the next one, which says 8/13 or 3/13. Do that. So, okay, so let's do that. So this would be 0 and this would be 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that's perfect. So now let's take this. Let's plot down where 3/13 is, and 3/13 is, and 8/13. So 1/13, 2/13, 3/13. So this is where 3/13 is. And then 4/13, 5/13, 6/13, 7/13, 8/13. This is where 8/13 is there. And again, the fraction more to the right is the greater one. Okay? So now let's do this on the next one, which says 7/14 or 9/14. So let's do this. So 7/14. So first let's draw the lines and stuff. Oopsies, not 0, this is supposed to be 1. That does not make any sense. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, made it as equivalent as possible, equal as possible. So 7/14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7's right here. So 7/14. 7/14. And then we have 9/14. So 8, 9. This would be 9/14. So obviously 9/14 is larger because it is more to the right. So now let's do problem time. So, okay, so let's see. So the first one says, oopsies. Let's do that. Okay. So the first one says 8/14 or 4/14. Let's do this. 0 and 1. Oh yeah, and I totally forgot to tell you guys this, but I want you guys to pause the video and try these 4 questions on your own, okay? So let me just read them out. 8/14, 4/14, 6/13, 4/13, 5/9, 7/9, 6/8, 5/8, okay? And I want you guys to use a number line, okay? So let's do this. So I assume that you have paused the video, so let's check your answers. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we can just divide by 2. We can just split all of them in half. Okay, there you go. So let's see. 8/14. Let's plot where that is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4/14 is right here, so let's plot that down. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8/14 is right there. Okay, so again, the fraction to the more to the right is the one that's greater. So let's do the next one. 6/13 or 4/13. So again, 0, 1. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so let's plot down where 6/13 is. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wow, look, 4/13 is right here. So we don't have to plot down where 6/13 is, because we already know that 6/13 is after 4/13, because the amount, so till now, so till 4/13, we did not get to 6/13, which means 6/13 is more to the right, which also means that 6/13 is greater. Okay, so now the next one says 5/9 or 7/9. Okay, let's do this. So 0, 1. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, Let's plot down what 5 over 9 is and 7 over 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where 5 over 9 is? 6, 7. Again, 7 over 9 here. So 7 over 9 is greater since it is more to the right. The next one would set 6 over 8 or 5 over 8. So let's do this. So 0, 1. Oopsies, not 0. It's supposed to be a 1. Okay? So then this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's try this a little bigger. There. So let's plot down where 6 over 8 is and 5 over 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is where 5 over 8 is. And this is where 6 over 8 is. So 6 over 8 is slightly larger. Okay, it's more to the right. Very less, like really less. So the answer for this is 6 over 8 is greater than 5 over 8. Let's actually fix that. Eesh. That's fine. There, no circle. Let's draw a circle here. Okay, so let's go over the answer. So 8 over 14 is greater than 4 over 14. 6 over 13 is greater than 4 over 13. 7 over 9 is greater than 5 over 9. 6 over 8 is greater than 5 over 8.